So Popeyes have come to the UK. If you don't know who Popeyes are, they're an American fast food chain. They sell fried chicken. So they have opened their first restaurant here in London, and I'm here at Westfield Shopping Centre in Stratford, London, where that restaurant is. So I'm going to check out some of the items from their menu today. They have actually created a big buzz around London when they open. So actually there are long queues to order food from them. The wait time is about 1 hour, which is actually, I think now it has gone down. When they first opened a couple of weeks ago, I think the wait time was about 2 hours. To be honest, I don't think any food is worth waiting for 2 hours or even 1 hour. But today I had to visit the shopping mall, and I had about an hour to kill. So I thought, why not wait for some Popeyes and try them out. So I've ordered some of the famous items from their menu. So let's go through them one by one and check them out. So the first one is their chicken sandwich. This is supposed to be the most famous item on the menu, and I've seen them advertise saying that this actually broke the internet. I don't know the backstory to it, but I'm assuming that there are lots of good things about it. So I have lots of high hopes for it. Let's dig in. And also this is the spicier version. So it's not the normal chicken sandwich, this is the spicier chicken sandwich. Let's dig in. It's certainly very crunchy, and it has a really nice spiciness to it as well. Let me try another bite to get some of the other sauces that is in it. That is really good. To be honest, I had my doubts how good this could be, but now that I've tasted it, I think if I were to compare this to the KFC burger, the Zinger burger, this is probably better than the KFC Zinger burger. This feels like a burger that keeps giving. I mean, I'm halfway through it. There's cucumber and also lots of different sauces, or maybe it's just one sauce and that is mixed with all others. But the cucumber and the sauce gives it a really nice juicy texture to it. Because when you look at the burger and look at the bun, it looks like it's very, very dry. But to be honest, when you bite into it, when you eat it, it doesn't feel dry. It's very juicy. Now I'm down to the last bite of the burger, and let me tell you, this is actually quite spicy. Usually, when you order from these fast food restaurants, they sell you spicy stuff, but they're not really spicy. At least for someone like me, who eats a lot of spicy food, who likes a lot of spicy food, usually things are not that spicy. But this one, it is actually spicy, and you can taste it. I'm loving it actually. So that's the burger done, and now I'm going to try the chicken pieces. So I ordered the two-piece chicken meal. The thing is, when you order the two-piece chicken meal, it comes with this, what they call a biscuit. But here in the UK, this is not a biscuit. Biscuit actually has a different meaning here, and what is referred to as a biscuit here in the UK is what the Americans call a cookie. So this is more like what is called a scone in the UK. The thing is, you don't eat biscuits with fried chicken, and also you certainly don't eat scones with fried chicken. You actually eat scones with tea and cream. So this is actually a unique experience. It looks like a scone. Let me actually try it and see whether it actually tastes like one as well. Yeah, it does. It doesn't have any taste. It's bland, but it's crunchy though. It's flaky bread. Yeah, for me, this is like a scone, and I can't eat this without having cream. Yeah, that's just me. Anyway, that's that. And let me dig into the chicken pieces. That actually looks like a wing. I actually ordered 2 pieces. Again, the presentation could improve, but let's see what the taste is like. It's nice, and it's very crunchy. And obviously, I think you're supposed to eat it with this. I think that creates a really good texture. So let me try that actually. That's better. Yeah, I can do without cream for this now. Right, what do I think of this? Can I compare, if I compare this to, let's say, KFC, which most of us can reference, this doesn't taste that different to KFC. And also the one I ordered is not the spicy version, it's a normal version. So I really like the spiciness of the burger, but this one feels like it's like normal fried chicken. So it's not, what I'm trying to say is it's not setting my world on fire. It's good, but it's not that it's way above KFC or really a lot better than other fried chicken that I've tried. Okay, that's the chicken pieces done. To be honest, the pieces were a bit too salty for my taste, but they were crunchy. Right, so the next up is hot wings. Again, if I'm using KFC as my baseline, I really love KFC's hot wings, spicy hot wings. So let's see how these compare against those. Very crunchy, really crunchy. Again, it's too salty for my taste, if I'm honest. And again, they're not setting my world on fire. And if I were to choose between these and KFC wings, I think actually I will select KFC. So last but not least, the fries. The side you get with almost any meal. So I mean, looking at their fries, they look like they already look like they are a lot better than KFC. I mean, KFC fries are quite bad, so they don't set a very high bar anyway. But they look very close to the fries you get at McDonald's, which are quite good. And they have the skin left on the fries as well, which is similar to the fries that you get at Five Guys, which is another famous American burger chain. So let me try this and see how good they are. They're good actually. They're still crunchy, although they're not hot yet, because I actually went through most of the other items first. But still, I think they are spiced with some sort of a spice. Maybe it's Cajun spice, but they taste well. They taste really good. In terms of all the items that I tried today, if I were to rate them, I would rate the chicken sandwich the best. And I don't think it's any surprise that is the main item they always market. They call that the thing that broke the internet. And I think that it is worth the hype. Then I would probably rate their fries as the second best item on their menu, because as I said earlier, some of the chicken pieces and others, they were too salty for my taste. And I know there would be a lot amongst you who love Popeyes, but for me, in my personal opinion, I think the fried chicken, the chicken pieces, can do a lot better, and probably KFC ones, especially when it comes to wings, and KFC probably do them better than Popeyes. But that's my personal opinion. So there you have it. That's my review of Popeyes. So I'm sure they will open a lot more restaurants all around the UK. I remember when Five Guys first came to the UK, people were queuing up for 2 hours to get their hands on a Five Guys burger. And now they're all over the place and you don't have to queue up. So hopefully Popeyes will expand as well, and people outside of London will also get to, so if you live in the UK and if you don't live in London, you might get the chance to try Popeyes fried chicken as well.